Hi guys, Jervil here. So for today's video, and I will teach you how to download a torrent file in KickAssTorrent without making any account or creating any account. So without further ado, let's start our tutorial in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. So all you have to do is to open your browser. Then for example, like what I'm saying, Google Chrome, and all you have to do is to type KICKASSTORRENTS.TO and wait for the page to load. While waiting, so as you can see, there's a bunch of movies that you can download on this website. So for example, you want to download a particular movie. For example, I would choose X-Men. So in this step, you will encounter the problem. When you click the magnetic link and download, it will open a new tab and saying free account required. Access you have to create account to access the files. So thinking that it will solve the problem, you will click the create account. So after that, it will direct you to another page that you will put your email and password, like what I did after that. So I typed sleepnotrevive89@gmail.com. I'm sorry, sleepnotrevive90@gmail.com, and my password. Then I click create free account now, and direct you to another page that you will, and it will prompt you that the connection to the website is interrupted. So actually, the problem will occur on this step, or you will encounter the problem that I'm talking about. So to resolve the issue, go back to download page and put the cursor to the magnetic link, but don't click it. Right click instead, then choose inspect, and on the left side, or sorry, on the right side, you will see the HTML element. This part is very crucial, so scroll down to view the HTML code, and you will see we're about to download the X-Men Apocalypse. Okay, so choose the second part of the HTML code, then right click the code and choose edit HTML. So you will see there is a two magnet word, but choose the second magnet word. Take note, don't include the apostrophe. So select the second magnet word up to the last announced word, as you can see on the video. Then after that, Ctrl C to copy, or right click then copy. After you copy the HTML code, open your uTorrent or BTorrent application. Just wait for it to load. So once the torrent downloader has been opened, click the button next to the plus sign or add torrent URL, then paste the HTML code that we copied, then click OK. A new window will pop up. Wait until the application has been loaded. So once it loaded, as you can see, it's loading. So once the application has been loaded and in its component, click OK. So voila. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So once again, this is Jervil. Goodbye.